Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Alexis. Thanks so much for watching. This is my first video, not on YouTube, but it's my first video on my own channel. So I'm doing a get ready with me Q&A. That's what you guys voted on Instagram. So I'm gonna start off by shaving my face. I use these shavers, this brand. It's the only one that I've found that doesn't like cut my face and like pull on my hairs. The brushes just look like this. See if it focuses. So I'm gonna do that off camera and then I will be back. I am back from shaving my face. If you guys do want a detailed video on how I shave my face and why I do it, do let me know down below and I will think about doing a video for you guys. So after I'm done shaving my face, I do hydrate it. I don't add primer usually when I do my face makeup, but I do add the Measurable Difference Honeysuckle Oil Hydrating Oil onto my face. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of that. I only add like 5 drops of that. Just very little. I don't want my face to look greasy. So I'm gonna start off with my brows. I'm using the ABH Dip Brow Pomade. So the first question I got was, what is your favorite movie? So if I had to choose my favorite movie is Labor Day. I don't know if you guys have watched that movie, but if you guys have, it is, you know, it's a good movie. Well, personally, I like movies like that. So you guys need to watch it. I'm not gonna tell you guys what it's about. Alright guys, so I'm done with my brows. And the next question I got is, what is your favorite foundation? So my favorite foundation right now at the moment is the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation. I love this. It is buildable. I do mix colors, or sometimes I'm tanner or lighter in other days. So what I'm going to do for eyeshadow. Okay, so I'm going to do a green halo look with brown on my crease. So let's do that. You know, that's a hard decision when you don't know what color of shadow you want to wear that day. You know, it's like, do I want to match my shirt? Do I not want to match my shirt? Am I going to do natural today? Bitch is confused. Next question I got was, what helps you be motivated in general? P.S. Your makeup is bomb. Thanks, girl. What helps me be motivated in general? Honestly, right now at the moment, just filming this video, it's you guys. You guys are motivating me. Like, you guys telling me your makeup is bomb and oh, I like your brows, or just getting my makeup sometimes featured in other pages. That like motivates me. I'm like, wow, you know, people are seeing it, people are liking it. Like, if they, you know, if other people can do it, I can do it, you know. And I've always wanted to be a YouTuber, and so here I am. Woo! Just took me a long time. So don't be like me. If you want to do it, just go ahead and do it. What helps me? Oh my god, what am I doing? I look stupid now, but you know what? Whatever. Pain is beauty, beauty is pain, and you also look stupid sometimes. You guys are the ones that are really motivating me right now. I hope to be up there in the beauty industry. I really love makeup. I've always loved makeup. Next question is, will you do step-by-step makeup videos? I honestly will do step-by-step, especially for beginners. I'm gonna try to help you guys out on that. But yes, I will be doing step-by-step videos for you guys, especially for beginners. So do comment below on like other ideas, like what you'd like to see. I do hope to help you guys. Also, I don't have super high-end like makeup brands. I'm more of like steals and deals girl, so you will see a lot of affordable makeup on my channel, so that's a good thing. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys what color that was. Okay, so Jaclyn Hill palette, and it is this color right here at the end. Okay, so the next color I'm adding on the sides of my halo is going to be this dark green one right here, next to the green shimmer. Can grab that same brush that I was doing the brown with. I didn't add anything on it, so I'm just gonna blend. The green a little bit to the brown. Okay, it looks like a mess, but bear with me. Okay, so I did a little bit of the halo. I put cleaned it off in the middle, added some concealer, and kind of just blended it out with my finger. It doesn't have to be perfect because I'm not doing like a cut crease or anything. I'm just doing like a basic halo. And then I'm adding this green, and then I'm adding this green right here into the center. So I added the green in the middle, and I'm gonna go back and blend the out and inner shadows more towards the center. Okay, so the next question is, what is your favorite drugstore products? My favorite drugstore products, well, one thing would be the NYX foundation. You can find it in Walgreens, so that's drugstore, right? And another drugstore product would be for the Wet n Wild brushes. These are really good, so if you see them, I think they're at the dollar store too, actually. I'm gonna go buy some more now that I think of it. The Wet n Wild white brushes with the pink top. Those are really good as well. Another drugstore product that I really love that I totally forgot to even add onto my brows is the Mega Clear, it's all brown now, but it's a Mega Clear brow gel. It looks just like this. I even use it for my hair, like my flyaways, so that's a little tip. If you have a lot of flyaways and stuff, or during like the day, grab this and just, you know, they stick down. Those puppies stick down, so that automatically just makes my brows much nicer. Hopefully you guys can see that. I'm living for this. So that's really good, and this one's only probably $2 or $3. And my last favorite drugstore product that I cannot live without would be my Jordana Easy Liner. It looks just like this. This is probably only like $2 or $3 as well, and I find these at Walgreens. So my eyes are done. They're pretty dark, so I'm not going to add eyeliner on. I'm just gonna put my lashes on, so you can still see like the halo effect, right? You know, it's not perfect halo, but it's there. So my eyes are done. I'm not going to add any eyeliner onto my look, just because I don't want it to hide it, and then it's going to be too dark, and then I'm going to add my thick lashes on top of that, so it's going to be too much, I feel like, for this look, so I'm just going to keep it like this. The next question I got was, who's your favorite artist? My favorite artist for right now at the moment has to be Sabrina Claudio. Check her out on YouTube. She has so many good songs, but my favorite song would be right now Creation. My friend Luna let me know there was a new song out by her, so I did check it out and I love the song. So Creation by Sabrina Claudio. She is my favorite artist at the moment. So my eyes are done. Now I'm going to move to my foundation. I'm not using my NYX today. I'm actually using the Blondie just because I'm a little bit darker. I got a tan, so hopefully this kind of matches. If not, I'm gonna look stupid on YouTube. I'm gonna just drop that on my face. So I'm going to blend this out with the Diamonds, the Real Techniques Diamond Blender. I really think it's better than the Beauty Blender, but yeah, so I suggest it. That's what you get for not paying attention, Alexis. Oh my gosh. Okay, foundation is done, I think. So I'm going to move on to highlighting and contouring. So now I'm going to conceal with the same thing I concealed my brows with, the LA Pro Concealer. Do you speak any different languages? I only speak English and Spanish. No tanto, pero sí hablo español, no mucho. I don't speak it perfectly, so I don't like to say that I speak perfect Spanish, but I speak Spanish. Like, I can have a conversation with you in Spanish. So yes, I do speak English as well, so Spanish, and I do speak a little bit of sign language, so I know the alphabet, I know some numbers, I know some signs. I hope to get more fluent in sign language. That would be awesome. Next question is, do you have any siblings? I do. Heaven's sake. Okay, so I'm the oldest out of 5 girls. I do have an older brother who lives not too far away from me, a couple hours. And so 5 girls and 1 older brother. Their names are Brian, then there's me, then there's Andrea, who is 9. No, just kidding, she's 21. Holy shit. Okay, so there's Andrea, that's 21. Dolly, her real name is Idalia, so Dolly, she is 18. Then there is Jessica Sophia, she is 11. And then there's Kayla, who is 9, I think. Or maybe she's about to be 9. Is that 5? It is. I don't know why, I always feel like we're missing someone. Like if there's, did you guys ever do that? You guys have like a family picture and you're like, is that it? Like, I feel like there's someone missing. Or is it just my weird ass? Anyways, so yeah, there is quite a few of us, and then just my mom and my grandparents. My mom was adopted. We don't have any like much family, but we're fine. My favorite store. My favorite store is Oh gosh. Okay, so online would be definitely Fashion Nova. Oh, it's a type, but honestly, Fashion Nova, not know if this video is not sponsored or anything. I wish it freaking was. Imagine. It'd be so cool. So yeah, my favorite online store would be Fashion Nova. Second running would be Boohoo. I love Fashion Nova. I love Boohoo. And the actual store that I go to every time we go to either Seattle or Portland, because it's like 4 hours away from here, is Forever 21. So I love that store as well. So most of my clothes is either Fashion Nova, Boohoo, or Forever 21, or Rue 21. That's about it. Well, that is done. I'm going to contour with the same brand of concealer, but it is the darker color and it is in the color Toast. And I am blending this with a really light hand, because you don't want the foundation and you don't want the concealer moving around. So I'm blending it with a really light hand. Now I'm going to set my concealer with the Airspun. Powder off, I just swept it off. But the next question is, did you like school? I did like school. I didn't like high school. I haven't gone to college, so can't answer that question. But yes, I was in high cup classes. I was really smart. I always had straight A's until I got to about middle school, more like 8th grade, high school. High school was just enough for me. I didn't like it. I didn't even graduate, you guys. But so yeah, I did like school. Let me just go back and finish my the bottom lash line. I'm gonna get that same green shimmer and add it down there. Who are some of your favorite YouTubers? Some of my favorite YouTubers are Nazanin Kamari. She's super cute, she's sweet, and she's really real, which I love about her. I love that about her. The other YouTuber I really like is Daisy Marquez. She's super real. She's such a cute bitch. I love her. She's amazing as well. What I love about them is that they're so real, so down to earth. They're not on here on YouTube saying, you know, doing the intros like, hey guys, welcome to my channel. Like, no, that's not really you. Or maybe it is, but yeah, I like that they're down to earth and stuff, so I like them too. I also really like Nicole Guerrero. I don't know how to say her name, I never do. So I really like Nicole. I've been watching her for probably like 5 years, and same with Carly Bybel. I've been watching Carly for about 7 years, I think. So yeah, the moment I saw Carly, I said, you know what, I want to be a YouTuber. She's just super cute. So don't be like me, do it now, don't wait. Oh! My mascara is flying. Next question is, what phone do you have? I have just the regular, I'm actually recording with it right now, but I actually just have the regular iPhone 7, not the 7 Plus. Hopefully I can get the 8. I know like the X came out and all that, but I'm not into all that. Okay, so the next thing I'm doing is my highlighter. I am using the Laura Geller in Gilded Honey. Obviously, spray your brush first, and also spray my face a little bit first. I don't use setting spray. My makeup lasts pretty much all day on my face, so I don't use any setting spray. So the next question is, how tall are you? I am 5'1". I am pretty short. I don't like to say I'm short, I'm fun size. Okay, so last question is, do you have any pets? Yes, I do. I have 2 babies, 2 fur babies. Their names are Bentley. His birthday's coming up September 15th. And I got him as a Christmas present last year. I'm a good fur mommy, as you guys see on my Instagram. I always take them on vet appointments at least once a month. And I also have a small like Chiweenie. He's a Chihuahua and half wiener dog. His name is Kevin, and he is like 4 years old. He's the grumpy guy. He's always like ticked off on my videos. So yeah, that was the Q&A. I got all the questions answered for you guys. So the next thing I'm doing, I'm lining my lips with the Jordana Easy Liner in Rockin' Rose. It's like the most natural color for my lips. So next I'm going to add the lip gloss. This is the L'Oreal Havana collection. I'm not sure of the color. I think it says the color on the bottle itself. I think it was on like the tag. So this is my makeup for today. Now let me go do my hair off camera and I will be back. Okay, so I just finished my hair, so I'm gonna flip it over upside down and spray everything to add more volume. Okay, and my hair is finished. I'm just gonna move it around until I like it. So hair is pretty much done. I like it like this. I like a lot of volume. So let me go change and I'll be back. Just got finished changing, so let me show you guys the outfit. I don't know what shoes to pair with this, so it's kind of an outfit I just threw on right now. So this is the outfit that I put on. It's just some ripped capris. I got these at some store in Texas. They give me Fashion Nova vibes. So yeah, I really like them. And I just put it with this crop top. Well, it's like a midi, I guess, or maybe it is crop top. And it has mesh sleeves. I got this at Forever 21, actually, like 2 years ago. This is the outfit. So guys, that was my Q&A / get ready with me video. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Again, my name is Alexis. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.